Looking for a hotel na sakto sa budget, prime and location dahil malapit lang sa pasyalan sa Manila, at feel na feel mo pa rin ang comfort? Well, let me take you to one of my go-to hotels sa Manila, Eurotel Pedro Hill. Nasa tapat ng Robinsons Place Manila Mall, perfect for shopping, food trip, or kung gusto mo lang mag-chill at mag-relax. Ang in-avail namin is Euro Suite 2, good for 3 packs, may isang malaking bed at isang single bed, for only 3,038. Kompleto na, sarili mo na lang yung dadalahin mo. May toiletries, sleeper, safety box, ref, hair dryer, TV with Netflix, may malakas na wifi, at ang pinaka-relaxing may hot and cold shower and bathtub combo, super sulit. May breakfast buffet din every morning from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. kaya energize agad for the day. At kung tinatamad lumabas, no worries, may in-room menu at pwedeng magpa-room service. Actually, ang sarap ng food nila dito, halos na-try na namin lahat. And kung gusto niyo naman sa resto nila magsalo-salo, pwede din. Mayroon silang room service massage for only 400 para kompleto ang relaxing time. And if dalawa lang kayo, they offer Euro Suite 1, good for 2 packs, na kompleto na din lahat for only 2,498. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng comfortable, affordable at malapit lang sa pasyalan sa Manila, try nyo na din Eurotel Pedro Hill. Ayun lang, fall for more!